Welcome to Aquana Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to implement Oracle NetSuite. Implementing Oracle NetSuite is a structured process that involves careful planning, configuration, data migration, testing, and training. Whether you're working with a NetSuite partner or doing it in-house, here's a step-by-step guide to help you understand how to implement NetSuite successfully. First is to define goals and requirements. Identify why you're implementing NetSuite, example, financial visibility, automation, scalability. Document your business processes like order to cash, procure to pay, etc. Define key requirements for each department, finance, sales, ops, etc. Next is to build your implementation team. Appoint a project manager, internal or external. Include key users from finance, sales, operations, etc. Choose a NetSuite implementation partner or solution provider. This is optional but recommended. You can choose Aquana as your implementation partner or solution provider. We're here to support you every step of the way. Configure the system. NetSuite is modular, so you'll activate only what you need. Typical configuration includes company information, chart of accounts, subsidiaries, locations, and currencies if using OneWorld, tax setup, user roles and permissions, item records, customers and vendors, custom forms, fields, and workflows. After configuring the system, you can then migrate your data. You'll likely need to migrate chart of accounts, customers and vendors, items, products, services, open balances, historical transactions if required. Note, use CSV imports or SuiteCloud tools to make migration easier. Validate mapping and run trial imports. After migration, test and validate data. Before going live, conduct user acceptance testing, UAT. Test major workflows, sales orders, invoicing, purchasing, reporting. Validate reports and balances match legacy system. You can then proceed in training users. Train users by role. Finance, general ledger, AP, AR reporting. Sales, CRM, quotes, orders. Inventory, fulfillment, purchase orders, stock management. Use, internal sessions, NetSuite's Learning Cloud support, LCS if available, help guides from Suite Answers. After these steps, you can then finally go live. Once everything is validated, migrate final data, open orders, balances, switch to NetSuite as your live system. Monitor for issues during the first week, stabilization period. The work doesn't stop after going live. Post-go-live support and optimization needs to be monitored. Use your sandbox environment for future testing. Regularly review workflows, roles, and performance. Gradually roll out additional modules, e.g., CRM, payroll, Suite Commerce. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.